In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Word documents through WhatsApp on laptop. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll show you two easy ways to share your file, dragging and dropping, or attaching it from your computer. First, open WhatsApp on your laptop by visiting web.whatsapp.com in your browser. Once WhatsApp Web is open, head to the chat where you want to send the document. This can be an individual conversation or a group. Make sure the chat is active on the right side of the screen so you're ready to add your file. The quickest method is to drag and drop. Locate your Word document on your computer. This could be on your desktop or in a folder. Click and hold the file, drag it over to the WhatsApp chat area, and release it. WhatsApp will instantly prepare the file for sending and show you a small preview. Here you can type an optional caption to give context, such as a version note or a short description. When you're happy, click the send button. That's it. Your document goes out in its original format, ready for the recipient to download. If you prefer attaching the file without dragging, use the attachment option in the chat. Look at the bottom left of the chat window for the plus icon. In some versions, this appears as a paperclip. Click it, then choose Document from the menu. This tells WhatsApp you're sharing a file as a document, not as an image or contact. A File Explorer window will pop up from your operating system. Navigate to the folder that contains your Word file, select the document you want, and click Open. You'll see the same preview screen where you can add a caption if you like. When you're ready, click the send button to share it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you have multiple Word files to send, repeat the same process or select several files in your File Explorer before clicking Open, and WhatsApp will queue them. Keep an eye on file size. Larger documents may take a moment to upload depending on your connection. And if you don't immediately see the plus icon, try widening your browser window or look for the paperclip symbol. Both lead to the same document option. That's all you need to send Word documents through WhatsApp on your laptop. Choose the method that fits your workflow, drag and drop for speed, or the document menu for precise browsing, and you'll share files confidently every time.